What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bluey. We're going to begin today's lesson over on the right side of our page and draw a large oval for the right eye. So let's start from the very top. I'm just going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom and bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to draw a smaller oval right in the center of this eye for the pupil. And I'll fill this pupil in black. Let's move over towards the center of the left side of the eye. Draw a straight line going across the top of the muzzle. Let's round out the muzzle. Bring this down and in. Now I want to curve the mouth going up towards the right, just underneath the eye. Curl this around and then bring that across the bottom of the mouth towards the left side. Let's curve this back up underneath. Now I'm going to add 3 curves in the center of the mouth for the teeth. So add 1. Add another one, and the last one just going to go up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's go back up to the top of the muzzle and draw the nose. From the top left, then it's down and in. Round this out and go up towards the right. And then along the top of the nose, we're going to draw an oval going sideways for a highlight. Let's fill the outside of the nose in black, going around that highlight. Now I want to take that same eye and just draw the same thing over on the left side, just tucked in behind the muzzle. So we start from the top of the nose, we're going to go up towards the same height, go around the outside, and then bend that in. And then in the center, draw another oval for the pupil, and we'll fill the pupil in black. Let's go to the inside of the right eye. We're just going to add a trim coming down and out towards the corner of the mouth. Now, we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw those thick eyebrows. Let's start on the top of the left eye. On the outside, bend this up and in. Go out and down towards the right. Now it's going to round out the inside and bend that back towards the outside. Follow that same curve coming down, and then we'll just round out the end. In between the eyebrows, we're going to draw a straight line going across the top of the head. Let's follow this towards the outside of the eyebrow, curve the head going out and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now from here, we're going to bring this straight down towards the bottom of the body and do the exact same thing on the right. You want to bring that down towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side, round out the corner, curve the body going across, and then round out the right corner. Now we're going to go back up to the inside of the eyes. We're going to add a trim, bend this up and then out underneath the eyebrows. Let's go to the left side of the muzzle. We're going to add a trim, going across and then up. Let's go to the corner of the mouth on the right side and do the same thing. Just underneath the mouth, we're going to add that patch. Let's start with a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Go back to the left side, round out the corner, and then bend that down. Now on the left side, we're going to add a patch. Just a half circle, leave a gap and draw a smaller one. Now over on the right side, we're going to add 1. Let's go back up to the top of the head and draw in those pointed ears. We'll start from the top left side of the head, angle this up and in, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now I want to angle this back down on top of the head, but I want to leave a gap in between the ears. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Let's go down and draw in the legs, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to angle the leg coming down and out towards the ankles. Now from the ankle, we'll curl the feet, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and up toward the left and right side. And we'll curve the outside of the foot, going up and then in. Now from the ankle, we're going to draw that same angled line going up underneath the body. Along the bottom of the feet, we're going to add 2 curves, leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, curve this in, and then on the inside, curve this out. And then from the ankle, step up and add a curve going across. Now over on the right side of the body, we're going to tuck the tail in behind the legs. So we're going to start right here, add a fold coming out, Step down, curves down, and then up. Along the top, curve the tail coming in towards the corner of the body. And then right here, we're just gonna separate this with a curve. Now I'm gonna go all the way back up to the top of the body and stretch the arms out towards the side. So let's start just underneath the seam. Angle the arm going up and out. From the wrist, curl the thumb, going up, come down, and then curl that back in. Just underneath the thumb, we're going to add a curve for the palm. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the top of the thumb. Let's draw a half oval, going up and then down. Step over towards the side, add another oval, and tuck that in underneath the thumb. Now from the bottom of this finger, add a smaller oval, going up underneath. And then from the tip of this finger, stretch the arm coming back in toward the body. Now I'm just going to separate the arm with a curve. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side, starting with that first finger. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Bluey. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.